In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make mayonnaise from the comfort of your home. Trust me, you won't buy mayonnaise again from the store after making this at home. And I'm going to show you how to do this without a blender. If it sounds like what you want to know, you want to keep on watching. To make mayonnaise, you need lemon or lime. If you can't lay your hands on lemon like this, you can use lime. Feel free to use that. So I'm going to squeeze this out now because we need the juice. That is what you need. After squeezing, you want to strain out those rough parts. You don't need it in your mayonnaise. You want your mayonnaise to be as smooth as possible. So now this is the juice we need, and set aside. The next ingredient is egg. You need one whole egg like this. You can use just the egg yolk. That is another pattern entirely, but I'm going to use the egg yolk and the egg white. So you want to be careful when breaking your egg. You don't want egg shaft to be in your mayonnaise, okay? Now add a pinch of salt and sugar. This is just for taste. Now you want to add your lemon juice. This lemon juice, you want to be adding it gradually, okay? Don't pour everything all at once inside. After adding your lemon juice, you want to give it a good stir. Just stir it till everything combines, till it is properly incorporated. So I use 1 tablespoon for the lemon juice and 1 teaspoon for the sugar. For your next ingredients, this is oil. This is what you'll be adding next, and you want to make sure you are using pure vegetable oil. You can use soya oil or any oil of your choice, but make sure the oil is the one you've not used before. It is clean, fresh from the bottle, okay? So now this oil, you want to be adding it gradually into the rest mixtures. Add them gradually, okay? Don't add everything all at once. So you want to keep on watching so that you see the end product. Now let me introduce myself. Hi my loves, I'm Faithuche, but you can call me Faith or Uche. So if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are my OG. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. If you are not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe because you are finding value from this video. That is why you are still here with me up until now. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. If you see your mixture looking like this, non-greasy, without oil on the surface, know that you can add oil again to it, and know that this is where most of the work lies on. If you are not using a blender, you are just going to continue to mix like this. This is where the bulk of the work lies. Okay, so that's the last oil I'm adding to it. I've exhausted the lemon. Now we are done with the oil, so just continue to mix till it thickens up. If you know that you're not ready to work out like this, just go and use a blender, okay? So just continue mixing and mixing. If you are tired, please feel free to rest, leave it and come back to it again, okay? It is not a do or die thing, so just continue to mix like this, okay? This took time. This took me lots of time to achieve that thick form. Most times when I do this, I just do it with my blender to achieve a fast result. But for the purpose of this video, I did it with my hands to show you guys that you can actually do this without a blender, with a whisk. Can you see that the color have changed? Can you see the color? The color is white now. It is different from the other color you had before. So to tell you that it is thickening up, so when it gets like this, it depends on you now to either stop or continue to stir. The more you whisk, the more it's going to continue to be thick, okay? So but if you are tired, you can stop now because it is thick enough. You can use it, okay? So I'm still going to whisk this for some time before I stop. So you guys, can you see what we have? Can you see your mayonnaise? This is like the store-bought mayonnaise. There's no difference in the taste, in the consistency. If you want it more thicker, you can add it. You can keep it in your fridge or in your freezer and it will be thicker than this. Can you see what we have? This is the exact result you get when you use your blender, but this is achieved by using your hand whisk. So tell me, which excuse do you have? no excuse, you can make this at home. Okay, so after making this, are you still going to buy mayonnaise from the shop? Let me know in the comment section. So know that you are going to achieve this creamy color when you use your oil right. The oil makes it lighter, so you want to make sure to use the right measurement. And I used 1 cup of oil for 1 whole egg. To preserve your mayonnaise, you want to put it in an airtight container and put it in your fridge or in your freezer, and it's going to last you up to 3 months because of the lemon that is present in it. So can you see the consistency? Can you see how thick this is? If you are told that this is made by hand, will you believe it? So you guys, if you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah!